Guiding Principles for Teaching and Learning through ICT. Contents. Introduction. ICT equips audiovisual teaching methods which boost learners' knowledge, retention, and interest levels. But ICT in education system is not limited to resource-based teaching. Educators can also create interactive on-screen and off-screen tasks using ICT. Meaning of ICT. Information and communication technologies refers to technology that provide access to information through telecommunications such as the telephony, internet, wireless networks, cell phones, etc. Information and communication technology in education is the processing of information, its communication facilities, and features that variously support teaching, learning, and range of activities in education. Definition. ICT implies that technology which consists of electronic devices and associated human interactive materials that enable the user to employ them for a wide range of teaching learning processes in addition to personal use. These technologies include computers, the internet, broadcasting technologies, and telephony. According to official IBM glossary, ICT is the use of computer-based information system and communication system to process, transmit, and store data and information. Integration of ICT. ICT should be integrated to ensure student participation, should accommodate different learning styles, and should support both individual and group learning processes. The application of technology includes the development of related ICT skills, and their use as teaching and learning tools must be supported by new teaching practices. Characteristics of ICT: support teaching and learning process, enhancing teacher training, expanding learning opportunity, facilitator of higher order thinking skills, minimize psychological barriers, effective audiovisual effects, motivating to learn, use of contemporary devices brings up changes and reforms in education, educate both formal and informal settings, real-time access to information, connecting geographically dispersed regions, facilitating acquisition of basic skills, wider range of communication media. Scope of ICT, anytime and anywhere learning. Now computers and web networks reduce the pace of importing language knowledge. One can study whenever he wills, irrespective of whether it is day or night and irrespective of being in India or in US because of the boom in IT. Authentic and up-to-date information. The information and data which are available on the internet is purely correct and up-to-date. Access to variety of learning resources. In the era of technology, ICT aids plenty of resources to enhance and teaching skills and learning ability. It facilitates easy and quick access to rich teaching and learning resources. E-learning. ICT encourages the use of e-learning and adoption of its tools and technologies to facilitate widening access of learning and improving educational achievements. Distance learning. Distance learning method of learning at a distance rather than in a classroom. Home-based learning and part-time learning. Principles of using ICT in teaching learning process. The child's sense of wonder and natural curiosity. The child as an active agent in his or her learning. The development nature of learning. The child knowledge and experience as a base of learning. Environment-based learning. The integration of learning. The transfer of learning. Higher order thinking and problem solving. Collaborative learning. Learning through guided activity and discovery. The aesthetic dimension. Learning through language, taking account of individual difference. It takes capacity to build the competency of teacher and learner. Integrating monitoring and evaluation in teaching and learning process. Needs of ICT, population explosion, knowledge explosion, universal and compulsory education, mass education, adult education, education quality, improvement of quality education, appropriate learning environment. Advantages of ICT, benefits for teachers, easier planning and preparation of lessons and designing materials. ICT facilitates sharing of resources, expertise, and advice. Benefits for students, higher quality lessons to greater collaboration between teachers, more focused teaching tailored to students' strengths and weakness, development of writing skills, language fluency, comprehension, etc., encouragement of independent and active learning, flexibility of anytime, anywhere access of information, development of higher level learning styles, develop self-confidence and self-esteem and self-responsibilities. Conclusion. It concludes that if these principles are followed, it can help avoid many future problems and more importantly help leverage the power of ICT in educating young people in some of the poorest regions of the world. Thank you.